So what's up guys, check out this amazing strategy which I'm going to reveal to you on how you can actually start making money with CPA marketing. And this strategy right here is going to be an amazing one and also a beginners friendly one and 100% free strategy. So make sure you do stick onto this video and actually do go on to learning this exact same strategy. If you're new to my channel, I basically create videos about CPA marketing, affiliate marketing, and how to make money online using some AI tools. So make sure you do go on to checking out my channel if you do actually like such content. And if you do that guys, you can actually start going on to watching those videos that can actually help you boost your income with CPA marketing, affiliate marketing, and other AI tools right now. So with that being said, let's just simply jump right ahead into today's video. So first things first guys, you want to just simply use any CPA marketing platform out there of your choice. You could use the Cpagrip, the Max Bounty, the OG Ads, or any other CPA marketing platform out there. But guys, I'm just going to leave this page open right now. You want to just simply head onto this platform which is called the proprofs.com, and I'm going to repeat that again. The platform is called the proprofs.com, and if you do head onto this platform, as you can see right here, it is delightfully a smart tool for starter employees and happier customers. And with the help of this tool right here guys, you can actually do go on to generating a questionnaire right here that you can actually use to get information from audience. So what you want to do right now guys is that you want to just simply go on to hover about this product section, and you can see the quiz maker right now. You want to just simply go on to generating a quiz right here, and as you can see right here, this is an online quiz maker that delightfully easy right here, where you can build assessments and quiz to improve knowledge and audience engagement. So once you do that right now guys, just simply go on to clicking on get started. Is free. And right now guys, I'm just going to go on to selecting the basic quiz. I'm just going to simply click on that right here. I'm going to put in my email address, and you can then just simply go on to generating a quiz with this particular platform. It's quite easy to generate a quiz right here on this platform. And if you do that guys, you could just simply head on to this particular platform called the docs.google.com and actually do go on to clicking on this plus icon right here. And if you do click on that, you can then just simply go on to editing this section based on your preference. What you want to do right now guys, you just want to go on to selecting this particular section to go on to generating a quiz right here with the docs.google.com. Right here on this platform actually helps you get a lot of people's quizzes right here which they have actually done previously. So right here guys, you can see that these are actually numerous quizzes right here which have been created on any niche of your choice right now. You could just simply select that niche and you'll be able to see quiz that were created with the help of this niche or this platform right now. You could just simply go on to maybe searching for a particular type of quiz which you want to just simply
Hi,
use.
I'm Julie, and I'm here to help you create your first personality quiz at ProProfs.
And you can then just simply use that quiz right here to go on to filling out your Google form right now. So maybe if I do come right here and ask a question right here such as do you want to lose weight, I could just simply come right here to these options and actually do go on to selecting multiple choice options right here in this section. Make sure it's on that and do go on to filling out the option 1 right here. For the option 1, I'm just going to put in something like yes. For the option 2, I'm going to put in something quite easy such as no. And once you actually do that right here, that has actually been set. You want to just simply add in multiple as many questions as you can right here, and actually do go on to doing that on this platform. So what you want to do right now, go on to the settings section, and you want to just simply make sure you do come right here to this responses section. Click on that, and you can actually do go on to making sure that this section which says collect email address is actually on the responder input right now. So if you do that right here guys, you'll be able to collect the email addresses of a lot of individuals that actually do go on to fill in that particular form. And if you do collect such email addresses of such individuals right now by just simply setting out this quiz right here, make sure that this, and if people do actually do go on to completing this quiz, you'll be able to see their responses right here in this response section. And guys, you could just simply click on send to actually do go on to getting a link to this particular quiz right now by just simply filling out these details right here, and you can just simply get a link to this particular video or to this particular form right now. You can see this is the link right here. Copy the link and actually do go on to promoting this particular quiz. And you could just simply use a lot of platforms out there like the Quora.com. If you do head on to Quora, make sure you do go onto the community sections right here. And if you do go onto the community sections right here, or the spaces section right here on Quora, you just want to make sure you do go into searching for spaces about weight loss. So if I do go into searching for something like weight loss, and I do click on enter right now, I'll be able to see some communities that are actually about weight loss right here. Because if I do come right here, I'm seeing all types, community questions, and a lot more other stuff about weight loss right here. So I could just simply go into the spaces, and I'll be able to see lots and lots of spaces about weight loss, and you can see the amount of followers each space is actually getting. So you want to just simply make use of that particular space right there, and actually do go on to making a simple post. And for that post, guys, you want to just simply go on to Google, and right here on Google, you want to just simply search for stuff, maybe how to lose weight fast. And if I do search for how to lose weight fast, I'll be able to see lots and lots of articles on how to lose weight fast. So what you want to do right now, guys, is that you want to just simply go on to copying that content right here, or clicking on this particular content. You'll be able to see a lot more details on how to lose weight fast right here. And you then want to just simply copy the tips to go on to creating a particular post right here on Quora, or you could then just simply get to this platform called ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT how to lose weight fast. And if I do click on enter right here, ChatGPT actually went on to generating a content for me on how to lose weight fast. So I could just simply go on to copying this exact same content right here. If I do make sure ChatGPT is done and actually do copy this content, I'm just going to head back to Quora and actually do go on to writing a post. And right now I'm just going to click on create post and do come right here, paste in that particular content right here. So if I do paste in that particular content right now, I could just simply go on to, maybe in between this particular content, I could put in that particular quiz link right here. So you just want to make sure you do type in something such as take this quiz to assess weight loss questions, and I could just simply highlight that, come onto this text section, and do go on to adding a link to that. And if I do add in that particular link, the link would be to this particular Google Doc right here, or this Google form right now. If I copy the link, head back to Quora right here and do paste in that link by clicking on this icon, paste in that particular link URL and click on add. And you can see right now, guys, that once somebody do click on this section, it's automatically going to take them to that particular form right there on Google. So you could actually use this strategy right now, and at the end of this particular section, guys, you want to just simply give out something that is actually valuable to them. You could then just simply go on to this platform right here, which is called the freeplrdownloads.com, and you actually do go on to getting a free PLR right now. So you could just simply focus on any niche of your choice right here, get free PLR on any niches right here, and you just want to make sure you do come right here, copy the link, click on this particular ebook right there. As you can see, this ebook is about weight loss, and you then want to just simply go into downloading this ebook right here on your device. If you download this ebook on your device, you could just head onto this platform called mediafire.com to actually go on to uploading that particular ebook which you downloaded from freeplrdownloads.com. So if you do upload that ebook, you should be able to go on to getting a link to that particular ebook right there. If you do get the link to that ebook, head back to your CPA marketing platform that do have the content locking capabilities, and actually do go on to logging into your account. Go on to the monetization tool right here of Cpagrip, click on URL file lockers, and actually do go on to creating a URL file locker. Come right here, click on create URL file locker, agree to the terms of services, click on continue. And if you do this right now, guys, you just want to make sure you do go onto this section which says locked URL and paste in that particular URL to that Mediafire content. And if you actually do paste that in the URL to that particular free PLR on Mediafire right here, paste in the link right here, go on to creating a cool content locker, and once you're done, just simply go on to clicking on save right now. You can then just simply get the link to your content locker by clicking on get link, and you could then just simply copy the link right now. Once you do that, guys, head back to this Quora post and actually do tell them to get a free ebook. For a free ebook on weight loss, click here, and you just want to just simply highlight the click here, come right here to this section, and actually do go on to inserting a link to that. So I'm going to insert the CPA marketing link or the CPA content locker link by clicking on add, and that has actually been added right here. So what you want to do right now is to just simply go on to clicking on post, And once you post in this content right here, guys, a lot of people will be able to go on to seeing this particular content, and this will actually help you drive traffic to this particular quiz right here, where you can actually go on to grabbing the email list or the emails of every other individual that actually go on to filling out that particular form. And with that, you can then use that to promote your CPA marketing offers in the future, and you can then just simply go on to getting traffic to also this particular content locker link. And for them to actually gain access to that particular product in the content locker, they need to go through your content locker first right there. And if they do successfully go through that to get that particular product, you're going to get affiliate commissions from that section right now. And guys, you want to make sure you do drive as much as possible to drive traffic to this post, and actually go on to reposting it on as many social media platforms are out there. And you could just simply use this strategy even as a beginner to make cool cash. And I hope this video did help you guys. If yes, simply go on to smashing the like button, subscribe to this channel, and make sure your notification bells are turned on all. Thank you all for watching, and goodbye.